So I have two options.
Yes.
It's either I type to you using this external device that I connect to my phone via Bluetooth,
Okay.
or I type to you using the phone. But my choice would be to use a phone alone because I think that is more interesting.
Okay.
Than
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
one.
Okay. Okay.
That is more interesting than.
Yeah.
So my phone. I hope it's dark, my brother. Yeah, if ungayicosha ungathi ayisive uyishiye kanjani.
Okay.
It's showing there?
Yeah. As long as it's showing.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see.
So ngizokutypela ke Mr. Dlamini. I hope they will see.
Okay.
I'm still looking for. Oh, you are here. Is it still dark, my concern?
Yeah, but the phone is showing.
Yeah, but I want. Yes. So it appears as if it's off, right?
Okay.
Now? It's on now.
Oh, yes.
You can see it.
Yeah.
Because that's how I use it.
Okay.
And Mr. Mabunda will receive it.
Yeah.
I'm typing to you now, like this.
Jesus. Hey, what's that?
Yes.
Hey, faith.
Yes.
And I got a message. And maybe if you think maybe that I'm lying, Barcelona, thank you for the opportunity. We had a great session. That was the message.
Yeah,
Yo.
that is why I said this one will need its own day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Leo will incorporate it to see ifaka nane Bible.
Yeah.
Telling ukuthi ulifunda kanjani because
Exactly.
ngibonile lapha uzama uku-connect iBhayibheli ufunda iBhayibheli njalo zonke lezi zinto.
Yes.
I think on that day